Hello students, so let us discuss further about periodicity of elements. Okay, we'll be discussing about periodic table now. Now we know the rules as well. Ki 18 groups, 7 periods, how the elements will be arranged, how many elements one will be having, one period, one second period, third period, how many elements it will be having. We know this thing. Okay, we know the electronic configurations also according to the atomic structure that we have studied. Now our work is to learn periodic table, which seems to be a very clumsy job, but it is very easy if we remember some of the tricks. So let us see the periodicity chapter number 3, how to learn periodic tables. So let's suppose firstly in today's class we'll be learning about groups only. If I talk about group 1, if we talk about group 1, so the elements are हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रांशियम. ऐसे याद नहीं होगा. याद कैसे होगा? एक लर्न अ ट्रिक है, ली एच Helena is the name of a girl. Helena की रब से फरियाद. In this way, by this trick you will learn the group 1 elements. It stands for hydrogen, Li stands for lithium, then Na stands for sodium, this K stands for potassium, Rub stands for rubidium, Cs stands for cesium, Fr stands for francium. In this way you are going to learn your periodic table. And what will be the configuration? Configuration will be 1s1, 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1, 6s1, 7s1. In this way, because it is going like this. In this pattern it is going from top to bottom. One shell is increasing. Hydrogen is having only one shell, then lithium is having 2 shells, then 3 shells, 4 shells, 5 shells. This is shell number, na? Quantum number, principal quantum number n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3 and so on. Shells are increasing. So in this way electronic configuration will be this way. It is group, so it will be having the similar property. That is why they are arranged in a same group. So same number of electrons filled. S1, 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 S1. Only the shell is changing. Shell is getting bigger. So as we go down in the group, what happens? Size of atom increases because shell is increasing. Shell बढ़ रहे हैं तो एटॉम का साइज भी बढ़ता चला गया. Okay, so this is how you will learn group number 1. Note it down. Let us talk about group 2. Okay, trick is beta, मांगे, कार, scooter, बाप, राजी. Okay, it is interesting. BE, MG, CA, SC, BAR. Okay, let us write beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium. This is S from here, R from here. Strontium, SR. Barium, beta, मांगे, कार, स्कूटर, बाप, लोहे. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Okay, in this way you are going to learn your group number 2. Configuration will be 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2, 6s2, 7s2. All will be having same number of electron, s2, 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 but the shell is increasing as the principal quantum number is increasing. Similarly, as we go down the group, size increases. Beryllium छोटा है, रेडियम बहुत बड़ा एलिमेंट है, बेरियम बहुत बड़ा है. If we compare, beryllium is small as compared to magnesium, then as compared to calcium. After this, we will leave group 3 to 11, 12. 3 to 12 we will be leaving because it is D block. We will not be leaving, we will be leaving for now. After we will study afterwards. See group number 13. Group 13. One thing more you have to remember, group 1 and group 2 that we have read just now are combinedly known as S block elements. Now let us read about group 13. So if we talk about group 13, trick is बैंगन, आलू, गाजर in थैला. Okay, this is the trick. Okay, this stands for boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, tellurium. In this way you are going to write, and the configuration will be 2s2, 2p1, right? And similarly here it will be 3s2, 3p1, 4s2, 4p1, 5s2, 5p1. Now you already know how to fill the shells. We have already discussed that in chapter number 2. Right? In this way, group number 13. I hope you are liking the tricks, how we are learning the elements. If you will learn the tricks, it will be very easy for you to remember the entire periodic table. Then let us talk about group 14. Right? Group 14 will be कहे, सीता जी, थोड़ी स्पेलिंग गड़बड़ हो गई अपनी, है ना? कहे सीता जी, सुनो प्रभु. Right? In this way you will learn this. This is carbon, silicon, germanium. What will Sn be known as? It is tin and lead. Pb is lead. In this way you will remember group 14, and configuration will be 2s2, 2p2, 3s2, 3p2, 4s2, 4p2, and same. Okay? Let us discuss group 15. Okay? So group 15 will be Neetu, Pooja, Aishwarya, सब बीमार. लिख लो, आप खुद लिख लो. नीतू, पूजा, ऐश्वर्या सब बीमार. This is a trick. Nitrogen, phosphorus, As is arsenic, Sb is antimony, bismuth. You have to remember the names of the elements as well now. Okay? Configuration will be 2s2, 2p3, 3s2, 3p3, 4s2, 4p3. In this way the configuration will go on. Okay? Neetu, Pooja, Aishwarya sab bimar. Or in place of Neetu, Pooja, Aishwarya, you can place your favorite names as well. No problem. It's just you have to remember. Let us talk about group 16. So group 16. old style से TPO, old style से TPO. Okay, this stands for oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. For the names, you can pause the video and just note it down the names as well. Configuration will be 2s2 2p4, 3s2 3p4, 4s2 4p4, 5s2 5p4. Okay? This will make your periodic table learning very efficient and fast. Let us talk about group 17. फिर, कल, बाहर, आई, आंटी. फिर कल को इससे लिखना Cl, बाहर, आई, आंटी. Okay, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and this is your guess question. Tell me the name of this element in the comment. Right? This is the trick. Configuration will be 2s2 2p5, 3s2 3p5, 4s2 4p5. And all together group number 13 to 17 is known as p block elements. p block elements. इनकी characteristics के बारे में पढ़ेंगे next class में. This is p block elements, group 13 to 17, sometimes 18 also. Now let us see about group 18. Group 18 is having helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are the noble gases. Noble gases means इनकी बहुत कम टेंडेंसी रहती है किसी के साथ भी रिएक्ट करने की. Configuration is always NH2 NP6, fully filled orbitals. Okay, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, trick. हीना, नीना और करीना. जीरो की स्पेलिंग चेंज कर देते हैं. जीरो रन पे आउट. इसमें पे आउट का कोई सेंस नहीं है, बट जस्ट टू मेक द सेंस हियर. Okay, I hope this was very helpful for you and you will learn the groups very well now, and the periodic, you can draw your periodic table as well. So all the best for watching and very good, and like the video.